Good morning, folks. I received something to check out, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it right now. It is the IDW19 smartwatch, with Alexa built in. So let's unbox it. So now that we got it unboxed, let's take a look what comes with it. So it looks like that there's a proprietary charger in this recyclable bag. Let me just confirm. Yeah, it's a proprietary charger, so it's not like micro USB or Type C. So it's just, I wonder if it fits my other watch that I got from VTech. Let's try it. So this charger I'm going to use right now is with the charger for the smartwatch that VTech sent me. And yeah, it works. So, hey, I got a backup charger. Anyways, the display looks like a decent size. Of course, you got the bezel around the display itself, so you got to keep that in mind. It has bezels. Um, it's pretty light, and it looks like that there's a button slash crown, so that's a plus for those people that like using a crown for, scrolling through things rather than touching the display itself. And there we go. So it looks like there's a QR code to get the watch set up. So I'll go ahead and scan that. I'll probably pair this with my Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 and kind of test it out and eventually compare it to my other watches like the CMF Watch Pro and the Fitbit. But anyways, it's unboxed.